Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell tickets on Eventbrite. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to sell tickets on Eventbrite. First, open your web browser and go to www.eventbrite.com. Click on Login if prompted and enter your account credentials. Once you are logged in, the next thing you need to do is to click on Create an Event. That's if you haven't created an event yet. So click on the Create an Event option here with the plus icon located at the top corner of the page. Click on either Start from Scratch or Create my event even faster with AI, and follow the prompt to enter your event details as outlined. Okay, so as provided in Eventbrite, just follow the prompt and create your event. Now, while creating or editing your event, just go ahead and navigate to the ticket section of your event. So let's say you want to create your event, which is here. So click on it, and after building the event page, adding all this necessary information, the next thing is add ticket. But then if you're editing an event that you added without the tickets, just click on the event from the event page here. So if you select event, you're going to find an event that you've already created. So click on that, and to open the event details page, whichever one, whether you're creating or you're editing, just navigate to the ticket section. Then click on Add Ticket button to set up your ticket types. You can create various ticket types based on your event needs. Options may include general admission, that's standard tickets for entry, then VIP tickets, which is special access or perks, then early bird tickets, discounted tickets for early buyers, and donation tickets. Allow attendees to pay what they wish. Select the type of tickets you want to create. Then fill out the ticket details. Enter the ticket name. Enter a descriptive name for the ticket, then the price. Set the price for the ticket. If it is free event, enter 0. Then the quantity available. Specify how many tickets are available for this type. And then sales start and end date. Set when tickets will be available for purchase. Then add any relevant details about the ticket, which includes access to certain activities. Depending on your event setup, you can choose to include service fees in the ticket price or have them added at checkout. Review the pricing structure to ensure clarity for your attendees. You can configure advanced ticket settings such as discount codes, where you can create promotional codes for discounts, then access control. If necessary, you can set up different access levels for the ticket types, and of course, order limits, where you can specify the maximum number of tickets a person can purchase. So once your tickets are set up, return to the event creation page to review all your event detail. Ensure that all information is correct and that ticket options are clear. Click on the Publish button to make your event and tickets live on Eventbrite. Once published, attendees can purchase tickets through the event page. Share the event link via social media, email, and your website to attract attendees. And of course, utilize Eventbrite's marketing tools to enhance your event visibility. By following the steps, you can successfully sell tickets on the updated Eventbrite web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.